Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to find priority workouts on Ladder. So actually guys, first you only just open the Ladder app and then just go to the Homework Coach Plan tab. So right here, or the Workout tab. Okay, and here you will need to look for a section labeled Priority Workouts or Today's Priority. These options or these notifications you can find at the top right of each workout. Okay, so this is the first match, the second, the third, the fourth, etc. Alright, so tap on it to see the workouts you should focus on that day and any optional secondary sessions. Okay, so you can go with preview right and then start workout. So where they usually appear. As I told you at the top of your daily plan inside your team and coaching program schedule right here, and sometimes marked with a priority like the first one or the first match, the second one, etc., or even a highlight. So if you don't see them, you will need to make sure that your program is fully loaded. So also you will need to make sure that you updated the app from the App Store, and you can even just tap on your profile at the top right here and then the settings and scroll all the way down to the logout option and then just log back in to refresh and check that you have selected a training program, so priority workouts only appear inside active plans. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.